Hello YouTube, and in today's video we'll be covering the AEX index, which is that main Amsterdam, the Netherlands Stock Exchange. So as you can see, it's been an uptrend over the years. We'll go through all of the components now. So we've got Shell, which I can see has just gone sideways for a number of years. Been tracking the price of oil very closely, but again, there's been better investments in the oil sector, which we'll be covering in future videos. We've got Unilever over here, which looks like it could be giving us a symmetrical triangle type of pattern over here. The target's already broken out, or it's going to extend as a pattern extension. If I measure a target from there to there and project it out, we'll see we've got a target around 65. Next, we've got Relx, which is commercial services space. Um, it's been an uptrend over the years, and I can see broke out of a symmetrical triangle over here. Coming waiting for more price power to determine where it's going next. Next, we've got Heineken, which is in the beverages alcoholic space, and I can see that from the chart that it's just been going sideways for a while now since 2017. So there's been better investments out there. Oh yes, so we've got Adyen, which basically had the symmetrical triangle here that broke to the downside, made its target, and we've rallied since. But this isn't a good investment at the moment. Next, we've got ING Group, which is a major bank. I can see looking at the long-term chart of this that this has just gone sideways. It's not been a good investment. It's been a good trade off the lows though. Next, we've got UMG, Universal Music Group. There's not enough price paper on this to determine where it's going to be going next. Next, we've got Wolters Kluwer, data processing services, technology services. I can see this has been a good established uptrend. Any dips on this and any new patterns on this could be a potential buy. Next, we've got food retail name, Koninklijke Ahold Delhaize, NV. I can see this has been an uptrend over the years, and any pullbacks on this could be a good opportunity to add. Though over here, need to be a little bit careful that they could give a head and shoulders pattern maybe. Next, we got ArcelorMittal, and I can see looking at this chart, if we zoom into the weekly view, that there was a potential for further upside over here. Again, this could break down because it closely tracks the price and the profit margins of the steel sector. Next, we've got ASL International NV. I can see this has been in a long-term uptrend. There's an opportunity to add before this breakout over here. It's broken out and it's never come back since. Project a target from here roughly. I could see it's made a target and we'll probably wait for more price favor to potentially add. It's in the producer manufacturing industrial machinery space. Next, we've got Exor, which is a finance investment manager. It's just been going higher. We don't have the price favor to determine anything else on the chart. Same with DSM. We don't have enough price behavior. Next, we've got Con Phillips NV. You can see this has just gone sideways really since 1999. It's not been a good investment really. It's been a few peaks, but that's it. Aha, interesting. We've got KPN Con, which is a major telecommunications space, and I can see looking at this chart that this could potentially even break to the downside. Although it could even be an upside break, but again, it's stuck in a sideways channel, so it's not a good investment. Next we got ABN AMRO Bank, which is a major bank. I can see looking at this chart that it's been a decent trade off the lows, but it's not looking like a good investment really. It had a peak in 2018 and hasn't been able to recover since. Next, we've got Akzo Nobel, which is industrial specialties. Looking at the chart of this, I can find a symmetrical triangle over here. If I measure out a move for that symmetrical triangle, see that we did make the target. We overshot a little bit, and then we've collapsed ever since. So it's not been a good investment since making this target. So these targets, guys, they can be good exit points for your stocks. Next, we've got NN Group, which is a life health insurance company. I can see, looking at this chart, that if this gave us a symmetrical triangle of some sort, like this, that this could be a good buy potentially going forward. Next, we've got Randstad, which is in the personnel services sector. I can see this has generally been an uptrend over time, but again, it's not done anything really since 2006. It's just gone sideways, really. So it's not a good investment. Next, we've got Aegon, which is a multi-line insurance company. I can see it's just been growing across the lows. It's been stuck in a range. There's nothing exciting about it. Next, we've got B Semiconductor. It's an industrial machinery space. I can see this has been an established uptrend again. There's been a violent pullback. We need to wait for future price data to determine where it's going next. Then we've got IMCD, which is Process Industries Chemicals Major Diversified. I can see it's been an uptrend, but it's been stuck recently since reaching a peak in January 2022. Next, we've got ASR Netherlands, which is a multi-line insurance company. I can see it's been a general uptrend, but there's better equities to add. So that's all for today's videos, guys. If you liked the video, press the thumbs up button, press subscribe on your way out, hit the bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.